So this is about something that happened to me during the week. It's related to Adobe Creative Cloud failing epically. And if you're watching this episode, either you subscribe or you're having problems with Adobe Creative Cloud yourself. FYI, this also works for Mac. But before I get into anything, my name is Steve Smith. This is TQA Weekly. And if you haven't already done so, click the subscribe button down below. Click notification bell for notifications of future episodes. And if you want to be part of our monthly live stream, the private one for members only, click join and get more details through that button. Now, here's the thing. I am not your average user. I'm even not your average power user. I've been using computers for so long that I remember a time when ACPI was not a thing. So you had to turn your computer on and turn it off. So we're talking long time, pretty much 30 plus years, long time. I'm 38. The personal computer came out around the time of my birth. So I already know what to do when a bunch of things happen. In this case, Adobe Creative Cloud's client tried to update and failed, had error 183. It tried to update Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Photoshop, error 183 for each of these. Go to their website. Well, error 183 doesn't really have a description except that it's an installation error. Why? We don't know because they don't provide more information than that because they're moronic. They say to retry. Click retry on all 4 items. None of it work. Here's the thing. Normally, you're instructed to uninstall the applications, which you can't because the Adobe Creative Cloud client, if you're like me, doesn't have the option to do so. So I go through Windows, and you can do the same through Mac, and I uninstall Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Photoshop, and I can't get them back onto the computer. The client itself just bugs every single time, and it didn't matter which one or which one of the versions I selected to download, it didn't work. Now, so I'm at the point where I have to remove the client, but surprisingly, just like Norton, the client doesn't want to get off the computer because it's a DRM client, meaning that it's protecting the software, which none of it exists anymore on the computer because I uninstalled it, and it's trying to make sure that I don't pirate or something, but it's being stupid about it. And now I'm on my Twitter at Zaxis, so ZEDAXIS, and I'm basically blasting Adobe for their stupid tools and their stupid methodology. They send me a manual which is useless because it says to click uninstall and the uninstall option is not there and you can't get the client off the computer. And their tech support is trying to gain access to my computer. Only one problem. You can't really do that to some people's computers because, well, we have things that other people shouldn't see because we're under non-disclosure agreements. Therefore, nobody can see it before the date that the non-disclosure agreement expires. So now I have to figure out some solution, which I do. And this is the first thing anybody should have pointed out. Welcome to the Adobe website. Like Norton, there's an actual tool for this. So it's the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool, and it solves installation problems. Not a very big download, by the way. So basically I had gone up to 5, and when I found this, I downloaded it and followed the instructions. Now, if you go a little further, there is a Mac OS tool. So obviously it works for both. Well, I downloaded this tool, clicked it, and all I had to do is click E for English, because I don't know Japanese. Click yes for yes, obviously, well, Y for yes. And then all I had to do was click either the 1 or the 5. I clicked the 1, but I could have just clicked 5. And then it removed the offending program from my computer. And then when I reinstalled it, it worked. Like brand new. So my question is, why didn't Adobe just do this? Having tech support going through people's computers is epic dangerous. You never know what's going to happen. And anyway, they would have had to restart the computer and then us have to reconnect through them and waste our time. That's a complete load of crap. There's no reason for them to have gone through this way. But if you're having problems, you don't need to talk to tech support. Below in the description will be the link to the website you just saw for the application I just demonstrated to you, which is really easy to use. And it works the first time. Like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, for the show notes of this episode, past others, find solutions to your other problems, and use the contact form to email me directly. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.